Hi everyone! Let's learn blending with magic E. Focusing on the vowel A. Magic E comes at the end of the word. Magic E makes the vowel says its name instead of saying its sound. Listen carefully. Cap. With magic E, it becomes cape. As you know, the sound of letter A is A. Let's read tap. This is a short vowel A. Now, when we put magic E at the end of the word, it becomes tape. Here, the letter A is a long vowel. Says its name, A, not its short sound. This is called magic E. Now you try. Can you read this word? Yes, date with long vowel A. Let's read together. Can, mad, mate. Plan, plane. Hat, hate. Now, can you read these words? Fate, same. Gate, make. Today, we learned that magic E makes the vowel says its name, not its sound. The vowel A says here A, not A. Made, late, main, rate, hate, make, cape. Next time, we will learn how to read magic E with the vowel I.